Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you how to keep the flies out of your wine. At the end of the day, after a long hard day, I like to have a glass or two of wine to relax a little bit. I don't drink it while I'm working in the shop. Some people like to have a beer or two after the end of a day. But the problem I find oftentimes is that I'll get flies in the shop here through my garage door, especially these tiny little fruit flies. They like to get into the wine because it attracts them. It's like a vinegar or something. So then they get in there, they drown and die. I go to take a sip and I've got a bug in my mouth and between my teeth or something, so I have to spit it out. It's very annoying to do that. So what I found is a solution is nearby is a Pringles can. This is a short can. You can also get the tall ones. The lids on these are the same size. And what I do is I pull the lid off of this, and this fits perfectly onto these wine glasses, and that keeps the flies out of there. Plus it can help you from spilling if you wiggle around too much. I wouldn't tilt it over sideways because it'll probably leak, but that's a good solution for keeping the flies out. Another thing is if you go out on picnics and stuff, out into the parks or something like that, a lot of people will take a picnic basket and some wine along and some glasses. These glasses here are 4 for $10 at Walmart, and I think they're about a 12-ounce glass, and they seem to work pretty good. I don't use those big wine glasses like some people do. I just use a small glass. But in the picnics, if you're out in a public park, they may not allow alcohol in the public park, so you want to be careful about that so you don't get into any trouble. Anyways, great way to keep the flies out of your wine. I don't know how it works for beer, but it keeps them out of the wine. So if you enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration from it, please give me a like. Also, please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything. And if the ladies don't find you handsome, at least they should find you handy. Thank you.